Welcome to Mini Orange Social Login plugin, to configure Disqus app. On WordPress dashboard, go on Mini Orange Social Login plugin. Go on Disqus icon. Click on Disqus. We will go through the steps in this video. Go on Disqus developer link. Here we need to create an web app, so click on registering an application. Next on API resources page. Enter an appropriate label for it. Next, give a description for your web application. Enter your organization name. Copy website URL form instruction and paste it in website. Verify reCAPTCHA. Click Register my application. Scroll down. To fill callback URL, go to Instruction. Copy callback URL and paste it in callback field. Next, save changes. Now go to Details field. Here we will get our API key and secret. Copy API key and paste it in App ID field. Copy API secret and paste it in App Secret field. Save it. Click on Test Configuration. Click Allow to authorize your app. User attribute will get display here. Now go to Disqus icon. Here you will get an option to enable and disable custom app. Open new tab, go on Login page. On Login form, click on Disqus icon. You will get successfully logged into the website. This will create new account using Disqus attribute. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, ask in description.